Students, today I am continuing the chapter fraction. Today's topic is addition of mixed fraction. Before adding mixed fraction, we first change them to improper fraction. Now add 3 whole 2 by 5 and 2 whole 5 by 3. Now if we follow few steps, then we can understand addition of mixed fraction. So let's start. Step 1. Change the mixed number into improper fraction. So is equal to 3 into 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 2 into 3 plus 5 by 3. So is equal to 15 plus 2 by 5 plus 6 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 17 by 5 plus 11 by 3. Now, step 2. Change the above improper fractions to like fractions. We should find the LCM of the denominator. So, LCM of denominator 5 and 3 is equal to 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So, equal to 17 into 3 by 5 into 3 plus 11 into 5 by 3 into 5 is equal to 15 1 by 15 plus 55 by 15. Now, come to third step. Step 3. Now add 2 like fraction. So equal to 51 plus 55 by 15 is equal to 106 by 15. Now step 4. Change the above improper fraction to a mixed fraction. So 106 by 15 is equal to 7 whole 1 by 15. Hence, the sum of 3 whole 2 by 5 and 2 whole 5 by 3 is equal to 7 whole 1 by 15. Now, next topic is multiplication of fraction. Multiplying a fraction with a whole number. 2 by 5 multiply by 6. So, step 1, write the whole number as a fraction. So, 2 by 5 multiply by 6 by 1. Step 2, multiply the numerator 2 into 6 and multiply the denominator 5 into 1. Is equal to 12 by 5. Now next step, step 3. Reduce to the lowest fraction if required. Now next topic is multiplying a fraction with another fraction. Multiply 5 by 6 by 7 by 8. First multiply the numerator. 5 into 7 and then multiply the denominator 6 into 8 is equal to 335 by 48. Now here is the short method. For example, multiply 4 by 5 multiply by 15 by 24. Divide the numerator and denominator by common factors and then multiply. In this case, 4 is a common factor for 4 and 24 and 5 is the common factor for 5 and 15. Therefore, 4 by 5 multiply by 15 by 24. First, 4 ones are 4 and 4 6 are 24 and 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 35 is equal to 1 into 3 by 1 into 6. Here 3 by 6. Again 3 is the common factor for 3 and 6. So answer will be 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Now come to next topic. Next topic is division for fraction. Division is the inverse process of multiplication. Before doing division, we must know about the multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? The product of two fractional number may be 1. In such case, one of the factor is called multiplicative inverse of other factor. For example, 5 by 6 multiplied by 6 by 5 is equal to 1. Here, the fraction 5 by 6 is the multiplicative inverse of 6 by 5 and 6 by 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 5 by 6. Now dividing a fraction by a whole number. Divide 2 by 5 by 8. First step is write whole number as a fraction. So 2 by 5 divided by 8 by 1. 8 is a whole number and 8 by 1 is a fraction. Now step 2. Write the multiplicative inverse of the divisor, that is 2 by 5 multiply by 1 by 8. Here 1 by 8 is the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 1. So here 2 by 40 and is equal to 1 by 20. Now next point, dividing a fraction by another fraction. So 5 by 12 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to 5 by 12 multiply by 4 by 3. Write here multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4. Now 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. So 5 into 1, 3 into 1 is equal to 5 by 9. Here 5 by 9 is the answer. So students, here is the end of this topic. Okay, practice this chapter. Okay, thank you.